Hello everyone, my name is Noah, and in today's video I'll be showing you the simple concrete block machine. I'll be showing you the version that doesn't use electricity, and so here in the video we can see the machine, and let's have a look around the machine. Okay, and many of you may notice that some time back I made a video of the same machine. Maybe by that time I really had less skills in Solidworks, and maybe with less knowledge about these machines. But recently I had made some bit of research about the machines, and finally we have this. So for those who have any additions and comments, you can comment in the description. If there is any design flaws you think of this machine, you can comment and we see what we can do, how we can deal with them. Okay, let's start the video. The concrete block machine I'm talking about today consists of three parts. One is, let me separate them. One is the mold. This is the molding unit. So the molding unit is where we form the brick from. So this molding unit has a brick shape of this kind. This is the shape of the brick we have here. It's the shape of the brick. Then next we have, sorry about that. Next we have the main frame, concrete block main frame. The main frame, as you see here, it is in this shape. And on the main frame we have these gussets here that I used to just distribute stresses evenly around these points of contact. We have gussets here, here, and here, and here, and also here. Then we also have the press frame. The press frame is the one that has the shape of the brick. Yeah, it has the shape of the brick down here, so that in case of compaction, this can fit here. Okay, when we are doing compaction, this fits in here. So basically those are the three parts. You realize that the press frame is bolted to the main frame using 12 mm bolts and nuts. We are using 12 mm to bolt it to the frame. And I would like to talk about the thickness. The thickness of this plate is 4 mm, and in this case I used such a frame because in case this wears out or something of sort, you can just grind it off and replace with a new plate, you know. So when they're welding this plate to the frame, we basically don't put too much weld. We just use spotting. We just spot. We don't have to do the full weld. And yeah, and this the distance from here to here is 24. It's 24. I used the spacing of about 3. You see, yes, I used 3 mm spacing. The allowance between the bodies is 3 mm. I think that will be enough. And what else? Let's talk about the. So yeah, and also on the frame we added these gussets here as well. So we want the stresses to be evenly distributed to the press plate here. You don't have to. If you don't have these gussets placed on, you end up having this bending to the other side. So with the gussets, they prevent the bending from happening. And what else? let's see. Okay, the height of this machine is about, let's check the height of this machine is 400, it has to be, I'm sorry, 200, yeah, 227. It's about 230 on the other side. Yeah, I left an allowance of about 30 mm. Then here it is 400. Yeah, 408. This includes the thickness of the mold, which is 4 mm. The plate I used for the mold is 4 mm thick. 4 mm thick. Apart from these joining plates here. These joining plates are made of 8 mm plates, and they go down by 550 mm. So from here to down there is 50 mm, and the block height begins from 20 mm. So from 20 down we have the block height. From 30 from here, 30 down, you have the block height of 200. The blocks produced by this machine are 400 by 200 by 200. 400 length, 200 width, 200 height. Yes. Let's try to compare this machine to a human model, and you see. Then later I'll give you the height. So this comes here. Let's put the human model in. So from the human model perspective, you can see the height of the machine is about the knee height. About the knee height. Yes, about the knee height. And I think this is comfortable enough for someone to operate. And the height of the machine is about 900, I guess. Let me see. It's about 970, and the total length of the machine is about 800. And sorry about this. The width of the machine is about 330 mm. Yes, basically those are the dimensions for the whole machine. For the weight, I don't know. You have to calculate the weight later on when you have the materials. So in this case of the whole the materials used here is mild steel. This is mild steel plates. This is all mild steel. Apart from the bolts, of course. Okay, this is the simple concrete block machine, the manual type. Later on I'll be showing you the electric version of this machine in the next video. And yes, thanks for watching, and in case you like the video, consider subscribing. Bye bye.